Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have this new arrival to show you. It's a 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250. This boat's in the sterling gray. It's done a matte black accent, and it's paired with the Ion Tower up top. That's a power tower. We've equipped it with the 350 horsepower V10 Verado from Mercury and the single engine joystick option. It's a very well equipped boat. We're excited to have it in inventory. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Climbing aboard this boat, again, like I said, outside, it's powered with a 350 horsepower V10 from Mercury. Got a nice access door here for your daily checks on these newer gen Verados. A very nice engine package for this boat. We've got a ski tow bar equipped on this one. This is a 1,000-pound rated ski tow bar on the Tri-Tunes. This, in conjunction with our side fender holders here, we've got some chains that go across that allow you to ride rear facing when underway. Last thing back here at the transom is this boat has the lily pad easy step ladder option. Got a spring assist on it and some very nice wide treads. Makes getting on and off the boat a breeze. You'll see this boat is finished in the SLDH layout. One of our most popular, is my personal favorite on this boat. We've got a 3-position lounger here that flips 2 directions upward, and it goes all the way flat as well. Exclusive to the Grand Mariner, you've got 3 ratcheting seat backs here that can be customized to your liking. And on all SL layout Harris's, you're gonna have a dedicated cooler back here in the corner. You see we've also got some cup holders back here, as well as 2 stereo remotes, one up top and one down below for your in-water music needs. Coming forward here, this boat has the dual helm chair option. Both of these chairs swivel, slide, and recline. Very nice bolstered chairs here. Got armrests on both. Your co-captain is going to have a couple cup holders here, wireless phone charger, USB and USB-C, as well as a storage compartment. Over at the helm, this boat's going to have a raised helm platform as standard. We've equipped this one with the wood grain package, which you'll see throughout the boat, and it's also going to have the twin Simrad NSX series screens. These are some of the best screens in the industry. We've got all kinds of functions on here: chart plotter, map, depth finder. Also got a lot of engine data on here. It's a very popular option with that Deluxe Tech 2 package this boat is equipped with. We've also got a JL Audio head unit here to control your JL Platinum sound system. This boat has the tower speakers as well as the subwoofers throughout. We've got audio controls for your lights here. We've got up and down for your tower, as well as your Mercury digital throttle and shift, and just behind that, your Mercury joystick control for that single engine joystick. Coming forward on this boat, we've equipped it with the center locker. It's part of the 327 package. Got our cover and our poles in here right now, but there's a lot of room in there to put covers, dock lines, fenders, things like that. Also got a ton of storage up underneath these seats on some very robust hinges. Every seat on the boat does have storage under it and has drain as well. You see just behind me, this boat is equipped with the optional ottoman and cooler. Got 4 cup holders on here. Flip open lid. You get a secondary cooler or just a space to put your feet up and kick back. Coming forward, you've got 8 total cup holders up here at the bow. You've got USB and USB-C chargers, a couple speakers up here, and again, that great storage all throughout the boat. You'll also notice here above my head, this boat is equipped with the optional double bimini, which will zip to the front of your tower, giving you full sun protection whenever you want it out on the water. That has been a quick video overview of this in-stock 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250. This boat is in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you have any questions, give us a call. Check us out at marinemax.com or stop by. We'd be happy to show you more. Thanks for watching.